Good morning, I'm Kerry Adams, and this video blog is an assignment that's part of the Counseling 500 orientation to a counselor profession and identity and functioning class that I'm taking with Liberty University. In this assignment, we're instructed to watch 4 video vignettes of a counseling session and then answer 2 of the following questions. Question 1 was, what did you notice about the skills of the counseling as we watched the videos? So the first thing I noticed in the videos was the calm demeanor of the counselors themselves, which I feel is very important because this conveys to the client and it almost sets the tone for the counseling session. So in each one of the videos, the counselor had a calm demeanor, and during the initial stage of establishing the counseling relationship, the counselor was using a non-judgmental listening cycle, which used open questions and then allowed the client to answer the questions without interrupting the client or aiding the client in the questions. The counselor also used nonverbals such as leaning forward just slightly and some head nodding to acknowledge the client as they were speaking, as well as encouragers such as, tell me more about that or something along those lines, to give the client a chance to expound on what they had just said. But he did this, the counselor did this without conveying approval or disapproval, agreement or disagreements, or even judgment about what was being said. So the counselor then, after hearing the client to a certain degree where he felt like he understood what was going on with the client, would use paraphrasing to reflect the feelings of the client and the meanings of the clients, and then summarized what he believed the client had said for clarification. Another thing I noticed was that in video, I believe it was 4, the counselor took note of some cultural considerations that were playing a part in affecting the client's current situation. Question 2 was, are the sessions you watched similar to what you imagined a counseling session would be? And I would have to say yes, the sessions that we saw in the video vignettes were very similar to what I had imagined a counseling session would look like. I've had the opportunity to engage in some non-professional advice giving or counseling, if you will, and some mediation. So this gave me an idea of what a counseling session would look like. So the answer to question 2 would be yes, the sessions look very similar to what I imagined them would look like. So that's the end of the video blog. Thanks for watching and happy counseling.